To take a macro photo on OnePlus 13, first we need to open our camera app. Then select a photo mode and click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen and select macro shot. Now it will change your zoom, and you can, I think, also adjust it to your liking. The maximum is 10. Then let me bring the object that we can photograph in the macro mode. So I will try to keep this view right here so you can actually see what I'm photographing and how it looks like. So as you can see, the quality is pretty nice. But when taking a photo, we need to be actually kind of stable, otherwise it will be probably very blurred. So now when our photo is captured, we can open it, and that's how you can take a macro photo. For me, actually, it looks really nice. So that is basically everything.